The order of operations are rules that determine the order in which math operations are calculated. The order of operations are as follows. Parentheses are evaluated first, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Operators at the same level of precedence are evaluated left to right. Now that we have a brief overview of the order of operations, let's look at some examples. Here we have numerical values in columns A, B, and C. In column D, we have the math operation to be resolved. In column E, we have the result obtained by using Excel formulas. Let's go through the 6 examples one by one. The first math operation, 10 times 3 plus 7, contains multiplication and addition operators. In the order of operations, multiplication has higher precedence than addition. Thus, 10 times 3 is calculated first, which equals 30, then 7 is added to equal 37. The second math operation, 10 times 3 plus 7, contains multiplication and addition operators, as well as parentheses. Parentheses has the highest order of precedence, so the expression 3 plus 7 within the parentheses is calculated first, resulting in 10, which is then multiplied by 10, which equals 100. Please note how the result is different from the first math operation, since the addition expression in the parentheses is resolved first, then multiplied by 10. The third math operation, 4 times 6 to the power 2, has multiplication and exponent operators. Exponent has higher order of precedence than multiplication, thus 6 to the power of 2 is calculated first to get 36, which is then multiplied by 4, which equals 144. The fourth math operation, 5 plus 12 times 3, has addition and multiplication operators. The order of operations states that multiplication has a higher order of precedence than addition. Thus 12 times 3 is calculated first to get 36, then added to 5, which equals 41. The fifth math operation, 30 minus 10 divided by 2, contains subtraction and division operators. Division has a higher order of precedence than subtraction, thus 10 divided by 2 is calculated first to get 5. Then 5 is subtracted from 30, which equals 25. The sixth math operation, 75 divided by 15 times 3, contains division and multiplication operators. You might be thinking, division and multiplication have the same order of precedence, so which one is calculated first? Remember that operators that are on the same level of precedence are evaluated left to right. Thus, 75 divided by 15 is calculated first to get 5, then multiplied by 3, which equals 15. One last note, using parentheses is a good practice since it makes it easier to understand the formulas you write. I hope this video has been helpful to give you a basic understanding of the order of operations in Excel. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so you can be notified of new videos. Also, please give the video a like if it has helped you. Thanks for watching, stay inspired, and keep learning.